You're welcome to Remit Trade Academy. My name is Paradise and I'll be bringing you this cryptocurrency video. In today's video, I'm going to show you is the crash over? What is Bitcoin going to do this very week as we see a lot of markets bearish move to the downside right at this point. So I am going to show you right now a simple chart analysis at this very area. Are we going to see more crash right down or market is going to reverse on this very point of support? I'm also going to take a look at the Bitcoin dominance chart and relate it to the BTC chart right here and what you should expect this very week. So all of this in today's video. So watch the video till the end. If you have not subscribed to this channel or if you are new to this channel, please help subscribe to the channel, hit that like button and don't forget to turn the bell notification. Also leave a like for this video. So let's jump right in. Right at this point, you see BTC is going right down. If you look at the momentum in Bitcoin from this area right down, we see a very strong momentum in this very area, and right now I am still expecting the market to come back a little bit down. It may not come up to the $30,000 level at this point, but we're going to see the market go slightly down. Then we're going to see a sharp retracement to the upside from this area. So I am expecting the market to go slightly to the downside. Then we're going to see a move to the upside very sharply. So this is one of the major things I am expecting on BTC USD chart right at the moment. Then one more thing I want to talk about today is the BTC dominance and how it has been moving in relation to BTC USDT markets. So right at this point, you see from this area, this was 20th August 2021, and if you go back to the BTC price, you see right at this point, this was 20th August 2021. So after this insane move to the upside, we see the market move slightly up again to create a new high at this area before the market crash right down. So that also means that we could say that the Bitcoin dominance chart gives a forerunner information. That means it gives a pre-information about Bitcoin crashing or going up. So at this point on the 28th of October 2021, you see the market crash right down. Then if you look at this area on the 20th, at this point market go down a little bit and then move to the upside, create a new high, then it crashed back down. So if you look at this area again on the 13th of September, market crashed to this area. 13th of September at this point, market rise again to the upside. So if you look at this area, we look at this point, this was 13th of September right here, market go up a little bit, come back down before it move again. So we could say that BTC dominance chart give a pre-information about BTC move. So at this point, 13th of September, market move right up, and then if you come back here, this was 13th of September around this area, then we see the market move slightly, come back down before we see the next move. Now look at what the BTC dominance is doing at the moment. So I also talk about this very chart right here, and I said if market continue to move to the upside, we see we break this very strong resistance level at this point, and market is pushing to the upside, creating new highs which is higher than this very previous resistance. So that means that we could possibly see the market go down a little bit, just like we saw in the previous price action before the market will move up. That is why I said this week we are going to see maybe a slight move to the downside before we can then see a turn sharply to the upside again in BTC USD chart. So this is what I am expecting this very week, and it's very important you take a look at the Bitcoin dominance when you are looking at your chart, because it gives you a pre-information of what is going to happen on the BTC USD chart. And we know that BTC USDT control majority of the market pace. If I jump into the 4-hour charts, I am going to show you something very important on the 4-hour chart right now. So if you look at the 4-hour chart right here, something very significant. We are seeing something that look like a consolidation. So a consolidation at this point, see market from here to this level, then at this point as well, market is consolidating within these boundaries for the past 1D. So if you look at this very region, what you should be looking out for is very important. So if you draw a trend line from this area, from this point to this level and the market retrace. If you notice the way it's retracing right now, it's not that big, which means that the bears still have more strength to move the market to the downside. So what I am expecting right now is a breakout on this support level or a breakout on the resistance level. Now, a breakout on the support level will give more strength to the market, that means to the bear, to move the market right down. So if we see a breakout on this very support level, the market is going to go right down to this area of $30,000 possibly, which is a very strong resistance we see at this point right here in the past. So in this very market where we see consolidation right here, if market break on this support, this very strong support level, then we're going to see the market go right down. Then if we see a breakout on this resistance level, then we're going to see the market right up. Now, if market break here, then we're going to see the market come back down to this $31,000 and $30,000 level before we see the market right up. And then if market break here as well, we're going to see the market go right up as well to this level of $38,000 and $39,000 at this one, because this is the first resistance we see after it crash right down before the market go right up at this very point. I am still very much optimistic that this week market is going to retrace back up with a strong move, and we're going to see optimism in the market this very week. So this is exact same thing I'm looking out for right now on BTC USDT chart. Comment below, what is your thought? What are you looking at? And do you still see the market dip right down and below $30,000, or we are going to see the market retrace from this area and possibly reverse finally to the upside? If you are new to this channel, please help subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and don't forget to turn the bell notifications so that anytime I give an update like this, you will get notified. If you're not registered on Binance, OKX, and $600 bonus on Bybit, check the link in the description right now and do your registration. Thank you very much for watching today's video, and I will see you in the next video.